Should you be considering yourself a Black Friday deals? Well, hi, I'm Nina. I own Design Broker. It's a shopping service that we specialize in brokering Black Friday deals year round for our members, specifically in home furnishings like lighting, sofas, dining room tables, so the expensive stuff. But I thought I'd give you an insider take on what you should pay attention to and what you can relax about. So here's the hot take. First off, in terms of furniture and designer furniture, there are several brands that let me stack my offers for my members, and typically that offer stack is an additional 5% off. If you're wondering about which brand or had a bigger piece in mind, the best way to get a free quote would be to email me on my website. Now, if you're looking for a big purchase like electronics, a TV, a refrigerator, this is a great opportunity to purchase those things. However, I would caution one thing is that some companies produce products, specifically like TVs, for example, and even at Costco for Black Friday, they don't include all the features that you think. So it may have a similar name to the TV that you've been researching, but pay very close attention to all the details because they leave some of the things off and it's not the exact same product that you may be thinking you're purchasing. And also look for different special like warranties with all your Black Friday purchases for electronics and TVs. I think Black Friday is great for stocking stuffers. A lot of essential things that can be fun or not fun to spend money on, particularly on Amazon, is a great time to save around 20 to 30% off. But in general, the next holiday that comes, you're going to get very similar discounting pricing. So the biggest concern that you should be asking yourself in terms of Black Friday is, am I going to be sick to my stomach if they sell out and I don't get it before Christmas? And that would be my only deciding factor to rush or change your budget to make a big purchase now. If not, you can totally hold off till the next sale, or you can become a Design Broker member and shop year round and not have to worry about sales. So let me know if you have whatever questions you have below.